Alright, now this is a video to show you something that I've been messing around with. Rubik's Cube. But what does a Rubik's Cube look like with no corners? Just the edge pieces and the centers. Well, I'm going to show you. Looks like this. I didn't think up a name for it yet. I will eventually. Twists just like a Rubik's Cube, except no corners. Right now I'm doing what I call edging, because it's just edges. It's not even a cube. And the algorithms are pretty much the same as Rubik's Cubes, a wee bit different. And I'm going to do an edge solve. I'm not that great at cubing, so my edge solve won't be right a wonderful feat, but I don't really care. You pretty much do the cross on the bottom and then get these edges. It's pretty easy. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I had it off the screen and whatnot. I could have been taking pieces out. I assure you I wasn't. That's funny. I'm watching Jet Li's Fearless. Well, I was before I started making a video. This thing jams a lot. It's hard to turn. I keep moving this thing off the screen. And there you have it. That is an edging solve. Not much more to say. You can still do some tricks on this. You can do the corner swap trick. That still looks pretty cool. Uh-oh, what did I do? Okay, I fixed it. And that is my little edging video. Thank you. Well, not completely. To make this, it's pretty easy. Just put it together without the corners. Just take these little things and put them somewhere. Alright, so what you're going to do, whatever side, white, everybody uses white, mostly. Take the white, put these edges that go with the white and these in there. And then do these. And then the top. I wouldn't recommend at all doing bottom and top and then the sides. That's just no fun.